Hi there everyone, Stefan from FireAlarm.com here. If you haven't noticed, tomorrow, April 22nd, is Earth Day. Being environmentally conscious and aware of our individual impacts on Earth goes hand in hand with fire safety and fire prevention, which makes days like Earth Day important for us here at FireAlarm.com. Over the past few years, places such as California, Brazil, and more recently Australia have been devastated by increasingly unnatural and environmentally destructive wildfires. Even though these were all outdoor events, being aware of proper fire safety procedures and having knowledge of the correct fire alarm equipment makes a difference indoors just as much as it does outdoors. This Earth Day, we here at FireAlarm.com are asking you to be proactive in protecting your homes, surroundings, and environment by taking the necessary steps and utilizing FireAlarm.com for your fire safety and prevention needs. Did you know that fire is the third leading cause of accidental death in the home? At least 80% of all fire deaths occur in residences. Or how about that the US has one of the highest fire death rates in the industrialized world? In 1997, the US fire death rate was 15.2 deaths per million population. It's easy to see that necessary fire safety and fire prevention is no joke. Since we're all quarantined at home due to our ongoing battle with COVID-19, it's important that you take the time to become aware of the fire and life safety products that can protect you and your family from fires at home. FireAlarm.com carries a wide range of fire safety and prevention products. It is imperative to have up-to-date smoke detectors with fresh, new batteries in your home in order to stay protected. FireAlarm.com offers a wide variety of plug-in smoke and gas combo detectors to protect your home, such as the Kitty i9010. If you have a business or facility, it's just as important that your fire alarm system is up to code, free of troubles, and is being properly maintained. We carry almost every brand of fire alarm manufacturer, from Advanced to Potter, all in an effort to ensure we have what you need. Do you have any fire extinguishers or fire retardant blankets in your home? Being able to protect yourself from fire in an emergency is just as important as preventing the fire from ever happening. We have a wide range of fire protection equipment such as fire extinguishers available for purchase right now. FireAlarm.com not only can offer you the right products, but we also have several service offerings for your business or facility, such as our pre-maintenance inspection or smoke detector match service, in order for you to make sure you're doing your part to prevent fires. So this month, whether you're celebrating Earth Day, Arbor Day, or even International Beaver Day, FireAlarm.com should be your #1 source for fire safety products, equipment, and services to keep you, your loved ones, and your colleagues safe from fires and fire hazards. If you ever have any questions regarding fire safety or your fire alarm system, you can now chat with us live, one-on-one, directly on FireAlarm.com. Direct video chatting is also coming soon. We look forward to working with you and, more importantly, keeping you safe. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.